For years, individuals seeking hormone replacement therapy have had to go through the inconvenience of scheduling in-person appointments, which can be time-consuming and costly. However, with advancements in technology, virtual HRT services like PrimeBody have made the process much more convenient and cost-effective. One of the main benefits of using PrimeBody for hormone replacement therapy is the convenience it offers. With virtual consultations, patients can communicate with healthcare professionals from the comfort of their own homes, eliminating the need to travel to a clinic or office. This is particularly beneficial for those who may not have easy access to healthcare providers in their area or who have mobility issues that make traveling to appointments difficult. Virtual HRT services also provide patients with the flexibility to schedule appointments at a time that suits their schedule. This is particularly important for individuals with busy lifestyles who may struggle to find time for in-person appointments during regular business hours. With virtual appointments, patients can schedule consultations at a time that is convenient for them, including evenings and weekends. Another significant benefit of using PrimeBody for hormone replacement therapy is the cost savings it can provide. Traditional in-person appointments with healthcare providers can be expensive, particularly if they require multiple visits or extensive testing. However, virtual HRT services typically offer more affordable rates, as they can save on overhead costs associated with running a physical office or clinic. Additionally, patients may save on travel costs associated with in-person appointments. Virtual HRT services also provide patients with the added benefit of access to a team of medical professionals who specialize in hormone replacement therapy. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who may have struggled to find a healthcare provider in their area who is knowledgeable and experienced in HRT. With a team of experienced healthcare professionals specializing in hormone replacement therapy, PrimeBody can offer patients the care and support they need to achieve optimal hormone balance and improved overall health and well-being. PrimeBody is the premier source for virtual hormone treatments. Our dedicated medical professionals are experts in this field and can provide the services you need with unparalleled professionalism. Our goal is to make hormone therapy accessible to all that need it in a safe, reliable, and convenient manner while saving considerable money in the process. Get started. Visit primebody.com